How to use Clio time tracking and billing properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Time tracking and billing in Clio can save law firms hours, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that lead to lost revenue, inaccurate invoices, or client disputes. The first mistake is inconsistent time entry. Waiting until the end of the day or week to log hours can result in forgotten or inaccurate entries. Track time in real time whenever possible. Another common error is misclassifying tasks. Clio allows categories for billing, but assigning the wrong type can affect reporting, client invoices, and profitability tracking. Review task types carefully. Many users overlook billing rates. Assigning incorrect rates to team members or matters can lead to undercharging or disputes. Double-check rate assignments before sending invoices. Neglecting to review draft invoices is another pitfall. Automation is powerful, but errors in hours, client info, or discounts still require human oversight. Always review invoices before finalizing. Finally, some assume Clio handles collections automatically. The software can send reminders, but proactive follow-up is necessary to ensure timely payment. Implement a collection process alongside Clio. To use Clio time tracking and billing properly, track hours in real time, classify tasks accurately, assign correct rates, review invoices carefully, and follow up on payments. Avoid these mistakes, and you'll improve efficiency, accuracy, and revenue.